What's up, YouTube? In this video, we are going to be looking at a new piece of equipment that has arrived. Yes, you can use it on your Pentax camera for video as long as you have a microphone port. It is a new wireless microphone, which I'm very interested in checking out. It has some unique features. One is ease of use. Very simple, apparently, from what I've been able to check out. And it has a magnetic clip. Interesting. But let's just get right down to it and see what's in this box. Just realized, actually, before I do that, I think I'm going to need some scissors. So, yeah, I got to get some scissors. I'll be right back. And here I is with some scissors! And why does this look like it's already been opened? Oh, this is terrible. Wow, this is, wow. This is the worst packing job I've ever seen. Yeah, I've never actually experienced a package that, I guess it was opened at the border or something. And this is quite strange. I mean, it's clearly been opened. Wow, that's not cool at all. I wonder if anything's missing. And looks like it's been sliced as well. Well, let's see what's inside. Okay. What is that? What's that? It's a magnetic. It's for closing the box. Alright, so there's one receiver, one transmitter. It's got some instructions printed out on the box as well. Let's see. Oh, yes, I can. Okay, so inside the box we have a transmitter. One of them's a transmitter. Yep, this is the transmitter. And then we've got a receiver. This is very interesting. So, I guess in a matter of speaking, let me just try to find something quick to show the size difference with these here. Anyway, yeah, these are pretty small. I'll just use my finger. So it's about the size of my thumb, give or take. That's pretty much it. And these are magnetic, so they just snap on. Snap on, snap on. And lots of accessories here. Let's see, this is, I believe, that's elastic. Okay. Okay, a little thing to hang these from. I wonder how that actually goes in. Not like that. Okay, it's got a little thing so you can hang. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this will just fit in there. I'm probably not going to use this. Got two Okay, you've got a little lapel mic. Smartphone adapter. USB charging cable. It's not USB-C, it's mini USB. Sorry, micro USB. Same with this one. So you got 2 charging cables. That's nice. So you can charge both devices at the same time, actually. And you've got little wind muff and clip for a lapel microphone. And this would be the camera adapter for the mic. And another magnet clip thing. Wonder what that one's for. It's interesting. Okay. And you've got a little wind muff. Okay, so pretty much everything that you would need, but now I'm sure it's all about what does this actually sound like? That's what people want to know, because that's the most important thing, right? Oh, I didn't even notice this. Underneath, there's a little carry pouch, so you can bring it with you. Got the little drawstring system. That's nice. And a full instruction booklet. Oh, they even have a white one. The white one would have been pretty cool. So this is the Lensgo LWM-318C. And let's set it up and find out what it actually sounds like. This might be my new go-to. We'll see in a sec. Okay, so the audio that you're hearing right now, I have the microphone itself in the exact same location as my previous wireless microphone, so all of that has not changed. I'm using the volume level on the Pentax K-3 at volume 5, which is my standard volume level. The rest of it I take care of in post. So we'll see how this actually sounds. I have no idea at this point. So basically, the Lensgo LWM-318C actually does seem to be a very nice run and gun, on the go, quick decision wireless microphone system. It does come with pretty much everything you need. It comes with the lapel mic, it comes with the wind muff, comes with an extra magnetic piece, I guess, for if you want to clip it somewhere where it's slightly hidden. Comes with like a lanyard that you can wear around your neck and clip the microphone to that as well. It also only has 2 buttons, already comes paired. Yeah, it's just a very, very simplistic system. And it also has a built-in microphone as well. Actually, let's just try something here quick. Let's move you. And let's see if I clippy clip this to here. Whoops. I think I just changed the channel. Oh, well, look at that. Now, all of a sudden, it seems that the volume is a lot louder. So I guess where I had it before was a bit too far away. I'm lowering my voice now, so I'm not drowning you guys in some kind of crazy audio stuff. At the same time, yeah, okay. I found one issue. Right where the clip is, right where the clip actually sits, the problem is, so here's where that clip is, and the button for power and everything is right here. So what ends up happening is every time you go to unclip it, because you're going to have the microphone facing up, so every time you go to unclip, you're constantly hitting the button. Other than that, this is a very, very simple system. The only other caveat is the fact that you don't know what the battery level actually is, and you don't have like a volume adjustment either. You'll have to rely on your actual gear for that. And that is one place where I've seen some other wireless systems that do have a microphone volume adjustment, as well as like they have a gain level as well as a battery level. But for a very quick, just turn it on and get it done, this is a actually very well thought out remarkable system. I really like this magnetic system. Like that is amazing. I mean, with the magnetic thing, I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I think with this piece here, it's an adhesive back. So you would peel this off, peel this piece off, stick it somewhere, and then you can stick the microphone. So that is actually a pretty good idea too. However, I'm just going to stick with the actual clip. I guess let's just see what the lapel microphone sounds like. I'm not going to actually go about, let's see, I would have the lapel right about here, give or take, right around there. Plug this in, hope it works. So I would have the lapel microphone right around here. I'm not sure if there's any hissing or anything, but that's pretty much it. I mean, this might be, depending on how the audio sounds, this might be my next wireless, quick, get the video done and move on microphone system. So this is the Lensgo LWM-318C. I'm going to try it outdoors as well, and I'm also going to try it on my action camera and some other items. One of my smartphones actually does accept an external microphone, so I'll be trying it on that as well. And that's pretty much it. So let me know what you think. Overall, I mean, for less than $100 Canadian, depending on how this sounds, this might actually be worthwhile if you're looking for a very quick, simple to operate wireless microphone system. And that's pretty much it. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have not already, please do subscribe. It helps me out. If you'd like to support the channel, I leave that information at the bottom of the description. Enjoy your holidays, everybody. I know I am. I got new stuff. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. And you will see me in my next video. I'm out.